Good morning, children. 7th standard. How are you? Today I am going to give you the answers for the term 3 geography second lesson. Understand? In term 3 geography first lesson is omitted. The government has omitted the lesson and this is second lesson. Already in the previous class we finished the lesson. We taught the lesson in the previous classes and today I am going to give you the answers now. Take out your book as well as your classwork notebook. Copy it down. First one, choose the correct answer. Roman letter 1, choose. Choose the correct answer. First one. The question is, the science of map making is called dash. Among the 4 options, the correct answer is B, that is cartographers. Cartography. Second one, north, south, east and west are 4 directions are called as dash. The option is A, cardinal. Third one, cultural maps are those which shows the dash features. That is the answer is B, man-made. Next one, fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2, fill up. Fill in. First one, dash is an essential tool of a geographer. Map. Second one, directions. Third one, legends. Fourth one, village and town maps. Village and town maps. Fifth one, continents and countries. Continents and countries. Okay. Now, Roman letter 3, circle the odd ones. First one, the odd one, you have to circle it. Okay. Here they gave you first one, northeast, scale, northwest and east. Others all the directions. Understand? Scale is the odd one. Scale. Second one, relief map, soil map, physical map and atlas. Others all map. Atlas is a book collection of map. That is book. So that is atlas. Second one. Third one. Second one, plains map. Sorry, third one only atlas. And fourth one, climate. Then Roman letter 4. Match the following. First one, upper right corner. Second one, key or legend. Third one, large scale map. Fourth one, physical map. Fifth one, population map. I'll write the direct answers. Upper right corner, N letter. Second one, colors and symbols. Third one, district or town. Fourth one, natural relief features. And fifth one, density and growth. Next, name the following. Roman letter 6. Name the following. First one. That is Roman letter 6. Name the following. Here they gave you that sentence. Representation the earth on a flat surface. What is that? You have to write the answers. That is map. Understand? First one is map. Second one, ratio between the distance on a map and distance on the ground. That is scale. Third one, symbols which helps to show roadways and railways. Roadways. Roadways is straight line. Understand? அப்படியே லைன் மாதிரி போடணும். And railways straight up போட்டு the track you have to draw. Fourth one, a book which contains different kinds of maps. That is called as atlas. Fifth one, a map which shows administration divisions. Political map. Then Roman letter 7. First one, what is a map? It is in page number 165. That is, answer the following. First answer, that is in page number 165. Page number 165. Children all turn page number 165. Here it is. Map. In that paragraph. Map is a representation of Earth as a whole or a part of the Earth drawn on a flat surface according to a given scale. It can show continent, countries, cities and even a local area or drawn with specific details. Till that you have to mark. Okay. Then second one. Second question. What is cartography? It is in page number. The answer, page number 166. In the box you have this green color box. The science of map making is called cartography. Carto means map and graphic means drawing. One who draws map is called a cartographer. Understand? Then third one. Third short answer. What are the cardinal directions? The cardinal directions, you all know that is north, east, western, south. They are the cardinal directions. Understand? So I'll write it on the board. North, answer. North, south, east, and west. They are called as the cardinal directions. Understand? Then fourth short answer and fifth short answer, they are omitted portion. அது உங்களுக்கு லெசன்லேயே கிடையாது, omission. Understand? So we'll mark the sixth short answer. That is, what are the uses of maps? It is in page number 169. Sixth one. Answer. Page number 169. Here, the uses of maps. The four uses. Maps enable us to know the details of landforms. Maps help the military personnel to campaigns. It is used in the aeroplanes and ships. Maps are used for weather forecasting. So these are the 4 points. Sixth short answer. Okay. The next one. Answer in detail. That is Roman letter 8. First one answer. Page number. The question is, what are the elements of maps? Write about it. Page number 167. Take 167. Here, the top. Elements of maps. இதில் நீங்கள் 5th லைனில் இருக்கு பாருங்க. The basic essential elements of map are title, direction, scale, legend or key and signs and symbols. So title, இது வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு டைட்டில் போட்டு அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணணும், சைட் ஹெட்டிங். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த 4 lines. Then direction போட்டு அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிவிட்டு 3 lines only. In general, maps are drawn with north orientation. It helps to find other direction on the map like east, west and south. அது வரைக்கும் போதும். Then அதே மாதிரி scale அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதிலிருந்து இந்த 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. அது வரைக்கும் மார்க் பண்ணால் போதும். Understand? Then next page. Legend or key. அதில் the legend or key map, அதிலிருந்து cultural features. cultural features. Then conventional signs and symbols. அதில் வந்து a sign is அதில் இருந்து feature on the ground வரைக்கும் போதும். Understand? So 167, 168. Then second answer. Second question is what are the three ways of representation on maps? Page number 165. Take all 165. Here map, the detail answer, the full detail answer. Okay, yeah? Blue la mark பண்ணிருக்கேன் பாரு miss. Maps, the full detail answer. Then third one, third detail. Classify the maps based on its function. Answer is page number 166, 167. Page number 166 and 167. 166. Maps on the basis of content. Understand? Here, physical map. இந்த 3 lines mark பண்ணிடணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் இங்கே relief maps, geological maps, climatic maps, soil maps, cultural maps, political maps, population maps, economic maps, transportation maps and thematic map. அந்த heading மட்டும் நீங்கள் எழுதுனா போதும். No need to write fully. Only the dark letters இருக்குல்ல அதை மட்டும் நீங்கள் மிஸ் மாதிரி அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கோ. அந்த இது மட்டும் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணி அது மட்டும் எழுதுனா போதும். இங்கேருந்து மார்க் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபிசிக்கல் மேப்லேருந்து இந்த 3 lines எழுதிட்டு அப்புறம் இதெல்லாம் மட்டும் எழுதுனா போதும். திஸ் இஸ் enough. ஓகே. தென் ஃபோர்த் டீட்டெயில் ஆன்சர் உங்களுக்கு கிடையாது, ஒமிஷன். அது ஃபோர்த் டீட்டெயில் ஆன்சர் அது உங்களுக்கு புக்லேயே கிடையாது, ஒமிஷன். தென் ஃபிஃப்த் டீட்டெயில் ஆன்சர் இட் இஸ் இன் பேஜ் நம்பர் 166. Describe the types of maps based on the scale. Write about it. இங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. Maps on the basis of scale இருக்கா? இதை எழுதணும். Large scale maps, the 3 lines. Cadastral map, 2 lines. Topographical maps, 2 lines. Small scale maps in the 4 lines. Wall map, 2 lines. Atlas, in the 3 lines. Understand? That's all. So till this. Okay. Fifth detail answer. Okay children. So till this the lesson is over. Okay. So lesson முடிச்சாச்சு. இந்த map reading உங்களுக்கு lesson எடுத்துட்டு question answers கொடுத்திருக்கேன். You copy down in your class work notebook and we will see in the next class. Thank you children. Bye.